Low temperatures and dew points are going to be able to get together as we go through the overnight hours tonight. That means patchy fog is a possibility. You can see a little bit of that as we look at live at Glenjean. Now, of course, this is Route 19 in the Glenjean area, which is about roughly halfway between Oak Hill and Beckley. And you can see that there is plenty, certainly, of fog being developed now in Glenjean, at Glenjean. And the current conditions in Bluefield, meanwhile, we're starting to see some cut downs in the visibility here as well. We have 69 degrees under partly cloudy skies. The relative humidity is 93%. That's something to watch out for. As it gets closer to 100%, we'll begin to see that fog develop. The barometer's at 30.09, the winds are out of the west-southwest at 5, and the sunrise time tomorrow morning is roughly the same as it is for this morning at about 6:15. Doppler radar, well, we're going to see a few showers if you're heading off to the east. If you're heading into Virginia, this is where the showers are. These are the showers that we saw earlier on. They passed their way through the region and are now sitting close to the I-81, I-64 corridor and the intersection thereof. And we're going to continue to see them push off to the east towards I-95. So if your travel plans take you in this direction, you'll certainly deal with that. But outside of that, we are pretty much a clean sweep at this point. And the regional satellite radar bears that out as well. There are a few showers trying to make their way into the state from Kentucky. Notice as the last couple of frames there of the regional satellite radar, they fade because, of course, we lost the heating of the day. And so we're going to see those showers fade as they continue to push off to the east. More showers and storms over in the forecast as we go through the day tomorrow. And that's what we take a look at as we look at the upcoming weather pattern. This is the European model that I'm showing you here. This is lunchtime tomorrow. You notice that the state is pretty much covered in green. That means there's a possibility for showers as we go through our lunchtime plans. As we go home from the afternoon plans, we'll also see a chance for some showers, and isolated rumbles of thunder can't be ruled out. That's also the case, notice, as we go through our Wednesday, right around the drive home, and Thursday as well. So, bottom line, this is going to be a fairly wet week for us, especially in the afternoons. A pretty standard, what we call a diurnal pattern. In other words, morning hours are okay, afternoon hours see some showers and thunderstorms. That'll be the case on Friday as well, and into the weekend also. By Friday, 11 o'clock, you notice that the showers are fading, pretty similar to what we've seen tonight and what we'll see for the next several nights running as well. European model. Now, of course, we showed you what the showers look like in terms of where it's painting them. Now, let's take a look and see what it thinks about in terms of the precipitation totals. Here, of course, don't get hung up in the actual numbers here. If you find yourself underneath the shower or thunderstorm, you'll see perhaps even heavier totals than this. But the bottom line is it looks like the southern coalfields and the eastern areas towards the Greenbrier Valley will have the better chances for the showers and storms over the next couple of days. 85 for tomorrow, partly sunny with showers and storms. Winds out of the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And the 7-day forecast. High temperatures, middle 80s at first, and then really good chances for rain as we go through our Wednesday. Thursday, a front approaches from the northwest, and so a few strong storms are possible as the front makes its way towards us, and then the front stalls. On Friday, that means there's good chances for rain as we go into the first half of the weekend as well. A little bit less as we go through the second half of the weekend, and then Monday we begin to dry out just a shade. A little drier, 40% shot for some showers and storms. High temperatures, again, dropping back a little bit, but still right about where they should be, lower 80s. Lows are in the middle 60s. That's your weather. More news comes up in just a couple of minutes.